Okay, so what is traded in the Forex market? What is traded in the Forex market? If you're new here, please go back to watch my other videos. So this is a series of Forex basic knowledge, right? What you really need to know about the Forex market before you join in. So I'm going to take this to the advanced method. And if you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment section or chat me up personally on my TikTok page or here. Then we'll talk. Okay. Yeah. So turn on your bell notification so you'll be aware when I drop the next video, or you would know. All right. So what is traded in the Forex market? So we already treated what is Forex market and who are the participants in the I think we talked about who are the participants in the Forex market. Now we're talking about the Forex market proper. What do we trade? It's a market, so what do we trade? So in this instance now, we're dealing with so we exchange one currency for another currency in the Forex market. It is not a physical money. You are essentially buying or selling shares in different economies by exchanging one currency to another currency. So what you should know that in the Forex market, we are trading everything in this place as per currency. Do you get? As per the currency exchange. Do you get? It's either you're trading the pounds or the euros for the dollars or otherwise. So we have different currencies and different country currencies and their different country, their flag, and their currencies, right? So for the USD, we know that is United States dollar. So usually it's the country before the currency symbol, right? The country symbol before the currency symbol. So we have the United States dollars, we have the European euros, we have the Japanese yen, we have the Great Britain pounds, we have the Australian dollars, we have the CHF is usually for the Swiss franc, right? So, and CAD is Canadian dollars. So we have some of the pairs here, or some of the currencies here. We have NZD, New Zealand dollars. I think we've talked about the rest. Okay, so it said a country's current, the healthier a country's economy, the better it is for the country's currency. So, like I said in my previous video, the economy of the country is as good as its currency or as its currency value. Yeah. So things that affect this economy they include politics, include interest rate, natural disasters, terrorism, war, unemployment, exports and imports. So remember when I was talking about the government being one of the major participants, politics is what the governments are into. So that's one of the ways they can also affect the market as well. So now in this market, we have different types of currencies. We have the major currencies and we have the minor currencies. The major currencies is just any pair that is any currency that is paired with the United States dollars, any currency at all that is paired with the United States dollars. So we have the Euro USDs, we have the which are like the Euro dollar, we have the USD JPY, which is the dollar yen, we have the GBP JPY, which is pound dollar, we have the dollar Swiss, we have the dollar loonie as for CAD, you have the AUD, which is Aussie dollar, and we have the Kiwi dollar, which is like the New Zealand dollars. Okay, so yeah. So we have also the first one we had major pairs, which is those ones, and now we have minor pairs. Minor pairs are same thing as cross pairs. It's any pair that does not contain the US dollar. Some of the most common include the JPY, the Euro, and the GBP. So here we have the yen crosses. Yen is the Japanese yen, right? They are the yen minor pairs or the yen cross pairs. So there's no USD involved. So because it's yen, we have Euro JPY, we have GBP JPY, we have the CHF JPY, the CAD JPY, the Aussie JPY, the Kiwi JPY, right? Or the Kiwi yen. So we have other forms of crosses too. These are Euro crosses, where you have euros in everything, no USD. Then we have other forms of crosses. This is GBP crosses, AUD crosses, and all of that. CAD crosses here, Kiwi crosses here, and all, yeah. So any pair that does not contain the US dollar, and some of the most common pairs are these ones that you're seeing. So the next one, we have exotic pairs. Exotic currency pairs are like any major currency that is paired with an emerging economy. So when a major currency like USD now is paired with an emerging economy, right? Like the South African rand, the South Korean won, the Hong Kong dinar or dollar rather. We have the Singapore dollar, we have the Indian rupees, the Mexican peso. So not really, these currencies are really not traded heavily in the market, yeah, but they are exotic currencies because they were paired with the USD. It was a USD pairing an emerging economy that has their currency coming up, yeah. So next we have, so now this is where the broker plays a role. You say your broker sets up the arrangement, someone has to take your trade. So the broker is who links you up to the trades. Now this is an advice column. You say treat your trading currency, treat trading currency pair like dating or courting. You understand what it means? Take it seriously. So pick a few currency pairs, no more than 3 to 5 to study. It says study only those markets until you become familiar with how they act. Keep track of what they do. Keep a trading journal. So it means we'll talk about trading journal when we start talking about risk management and all of that. Yeah, we'll talk about trading journal and how to journal your trade. There are different people and different ways they do the trade journaling. It could be tablet, putting them in tables, kind of putting them like in a tablet form. So, or they could have like a calendar sequence on what happens, kind of like a diary that has like calendars in it. So they could write down each day the trade they took, why they took it, why they took a loss, or why they took profit from the trade, what made the trade work out, and what made it not to work out. You get? So that's kind of like journaling your trade. It says start with the most common pair. Common pairs like Euro USD and AUD USD and even GBP USD. The pairs that are not too stressful, they are not too volatile, they are easy to trade. Yeah. So it's a pick 3 to 5 of one of these pairs, that is the major pairs, um, to start with. Say try to diversify. Don't pick 3 pairs that has the same currency in them. It's example, Euro USD and AUD USD. Okay, that's fine. So you could pick Euro GBP across. You can pick USD CAD because they are different. There's no same or similar currencies in them. All right. It says see if you notice any correlation between them. So if you look at here, there's what we call correlation. We have Euro GBP and Euro USD. The correlation here is the euros. They are related because they have euros in both pairs. We have Euro JPY and where again and USD JPY. So the correlation there is the JPY. So you still have USD CHF and USD CAD. Correlation is the USD. AED USD and GBP USD. Correlation is the USD as well. So it's just an advice. You pick few pairs that you can trade with, and so you don't bombard your head with a lot of information and trying. Okay, so this is for what is traded in Forex. And please do it to turn on your bell notification and follow. And let's go to the next video.